Hello Lefty Wannabes and welcome to my channel Right Left Hand. Today is day 3 of maintenance, so let's go ahead and get started. As you may have realized, the background or the desk that I'm writing on keeps changing, but the pen does not. At least between these series, I'm just in different places during different times of the week. So I try and get in these videos while I can. Who knows if I'll find some stability later on. Only time will tell. So, yeah. But anyways, it is good to continue writing with my left hand. I think I see some improvement. Although sometimes it's a little hard to tell. Depends on how fast I'm writing. Depends on how much you guys can see. That's one of the problems with writing left hand, is sometimes it's a little hard to see what's going on, but that's okay. The main purpose is you practicing with me, setting a little schedule to practice doing this maintenance. Every other week, twice a month, so that you get the practice going and that you improve in the process. So yeah, I hope you guys are having as much fun as I am doing this, because I think it's pretty fun. Anyways, moving on to numbers, we're almost done. Almost there. It's amazing to see how much time has passed by since I started doing this, but hey, that's what happens sometimes. It's a little easier to picture, I guess, down the road. Anyways, that's all I've got for maintenance day 3, or I guess you can say maintenance 3, maintenance day 3, episode 3, whatever. So thanks for being here. Come back in about 2 weeks. Alrighty, goodbye.